Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Kerbal Space Program. Yes, this looks very similar to the Deep Space 4 probe, except it has an extra antenna, if you can call it that. And that's you, and you're thinking, where are we going? Yeah, we've been on the road for 400 days. Where are we going? Well, we're going to dive into the atmosphere of Jool without any help of parachutes. Now, this is funny, the game actually thinks that I'm going to be slingshot out of Jool, so we'll see what happens. And after this probe gets destroyed, we'll get a chance to go back to the... Okay, so somebody is going to have to explain this to me, because if the probe survives, then basically everybody can just use Jool like this to slingshot out of the solar system. And I really want to make a challenge for people to make a probe that can actually make a probe that can leave the Kerbin solar system with as little fuel, not left, but as little as fuel to get to where they're going, and of course have a MacJab in order to pilot. So, see, where are we going? Yeah, I know where we're going. We're going into Jool, and should destroy us like the NASA the mission in the 90s where they went into the atmosphere of Jupiter. Okay, we're inside. I also launched the probe too late. I'll have a look at that later on. Right about now, we are going to be going into Jool's atmosphere, and then we'll see. There's late. A bit annoying that I am going to hit the atmosphere in its night cycle. Makes it harder to predict when to turn the time back to 1. Okay, I think we should be going. Now Jool should be very big. There it is. We're going 7 kilometers per second, 7.5. Still accelerating. There's the sun. What the? Oh yeah, those are the those are the winglets. I thought, what this strange box? Uh, this probe should get destroyed in the atmosphere. There's no way this should happen. Careful, careful, careful. And 1. Can we see anything? No, because Jool is so big it's blocking our screen. It's going down, so we're going down fast. There's no point in parachute. What's this actually? Is it one of the bands of the gas cloud? Because it makes it look like there's a bump. Strange color in the atmosphere. Shall we try? Yeah, we'll move. Come on. What's going on? I don't. No, 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 no! It's way too much. It's way too much. I don't know what's going on. Is it MacJab fighting me, knowing it's going to die? So now we're going in straight. Its signal might be might be received by changing color, turning green. Oh, we're in a We've hit the atmosphere. It's down. We're slowing down for some reason. There's nothing to land upon, unless they made a mistake. We should be crushed by pressure. And then the object should still fall downwards to the center core of the planet. Make jets off, yeah, it is. We're now in the lower atmosphere. Slowing down. I have no idea what's going on. Neither does MacJep. I hope the signals of this probe are still being well received by the deep space probe in orbit around Lake. We're inside the atmosphere, that's for certain. Okay, now, look, now it's finally catched up and says, oh, we're going to hit something in 32 minutes. Oh no, wait, 32 minutes is when we're going to be at the highest point. Hopefully they add a second gas giant to the carbon system soon with rings, like Saturn. It's going to be funny if there's anything actually land down there, because that wouldn't be natural. Oh, it can accelerate. Oh, it's the this acceleration. Ooh, no. Let's keep it at 2. Yeah, they added the second type of acceleration of time warp. One is a physical time warp, which was done to make travel through the atmosphere easier, but it causes the spacecraft to rickety apart. Then you have the time warp for space, which can cause the space kraken to kill your spacecraft. We're in an atmosphere, we're in Jool. According to the altimeter, according to the height meter, we're still 70 kilometers away from something. Oh, now we're speeding up. Still don't see anything. Yes, the thing MacJep's just trying to do everything from I don't wanna die, I'm on the computer, and I don't wanna die. But it's not going to help. Your fate was sealed the moment you got off the launch pad. Funny though, it has to watch where it's going. And now we're slowing down again. Why, MacJep? There's no land down there, there's just going to be pressure to crush you. I hope. Well, it should happen. Come on. 10 kilometers. 9 kilometers. Green. We're going green, guys. Which is funny since Kerbals are green. We're still 7 kilometers above something that's going to hit. Something that we are going to hit. I'm not sure what we're going to hit because there's nothing to hit. I don't think the core of the planet's that's close. Okay, 5.5. Still seeing green of the atmosphere. Can see some stars. Can see late where we have a probe. Yes, I'm going to use MagJep as well to do the interplanetary trip for my space shuttles, because I keep missing the planets I want to go to with my space shuttles. I know it's a bit cheaty using MagJep for that, but yeah, I've been able to get to Juno without any help, but getting to Eve has proven to be impossible for me. Okay, let's return back to the normal. For less than half a mile, 500 meters. I'm wondering what we are going to hit, because we shouldn't be hitting anything. The craft should just explode, fall apart, and the debris should keep falling downwards until it hit the core. I doubt that the core is so. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Um, what the? I can't even tell. There's no surface. It says 97 meters, and we are apparently dead still. So, oh, where are we going? Gain speed. Oh look, we broke apart. Bit late. Where are we, MagJep? Where are we? We're apparently in a dead zone. So the probe broke apart, and the pieces are just light enough for these winds in the atmosphere to be picked on. So, that was interesting. Cannot switch vessels yet. So we're going to end this flight. Okay, let's see what happened. Huh? It crashed into clouds. Okay. Oh, should have taken the tracking station. Come on. Ooh. Again, let's see. Deep space for 2 years now. Let's have this. Don't know what that meant. Okay, here is Deep Space 4. Well on its way beyond the frontier of the Carbon system. There's the sun. We're traveling at almost 4 kilometers per second, which is decent. So let me see. 4 kilometers per second. So it's going to take 75,000 seconds to travel 1 light second. Let me get a calculator for this, because 75,000 times 60 for 1 minute times 60 for 1 hour times 24 for 1 day times 365 for 1 year. And that's now in seconds. So my go to 60. Those are minutes, hours, days. Yeah, of course. It's going to take 75,000. Yeah, I should have known that by now. If it's traveling 4 kilometers per second, then it takes 75,000 seconds to travel 1 light second. It's going to take 75,000 years to do a light year, which means it would take 300,000 years to, if it was launched from Earth, it would take 300,000 years to reach Alpha Centauri, the closest star. So, maybe there's an edge, a border somewhere that they had to program in and nobody's ever bothered to get to it. Oh. But we'll see. We'll see where we end up. This has been Resender. Sorry for the yawning, but it is, of course, we just switch over to winter hour or whatever it's called in English, and I hate it because I'm completely out of sync with everything again. So, goodbye.